Hello, in today's video I will present you the plans with this model. This model is interesting because it's not a mass-produced car. It's a modified version of the Skyline C110. As for the plastic model itself, this model is robust enough. I'm not worried about breaking anything. This model has wheels in the box too. I just didn't really like them. I think they are too small. I think they are 14 inches, so I ordered the different ones, which I will show you in the another video. They fit the car better, but I understand that it's a style thing. I'm trying to customize this model to my liking. I have therefore ordered a few more products, but it's a surprise. In the meantime, I have started preparing the car body of painting. Classically, I started to clean the car body of excess plastic. I have also started with small modifications. I cut out fenders for the larger wheels. I cleaned everything thoroughly and applied the primer with an airbrush. There were small imperfections on the model from molding. I sealed those with putty. This model will be sprayed with custom paint. I tried to create a historical color. It's a bit strange, but it's interesting. I plan to spray the paint in the next video. I hope I can finish it before the next model show. By the way, color will be metallic. I was wondering that base I will choose. In the end I choose this one. This dark one should bring out the metallic colors. I heard someone used yellow or pink. I think it's for brightness color stuff. Next time we can try different bases. Share your experience in the comments. I will be happy to read and discuss them. As I mentioned before, I am glad that the model is robust. It will make my sanding and polishing work easier. I also sanded this base after it was sanded and dry. Nice to see the imperfections on it. So everything is ready. In the next video we will paint the model. I was thinking about combining more colors. If you have any ideas, please share in the comments. I'd like to read them. That's all for today. I look forward to seeing you next time. If you like the video, give a like and comment. Thank you, bye bye.